There's two! Oh my god. So are we doing the, oh, we working? Where is she? Where?
That's amazing.
It really is. That you can see a spirit doing what he still thinks he has to do. And he still thinks that he's working. Bro, you know it's like 2024, right? It's not the 1900s anymore, man. Or do you have unfinished business? Someone just touched my leg.
Really?
Yeah, someone just touched the back of my leg.
Adventure. We're learning about that as an adventure.
No, you're not gonna measure up my body, dude.
No, adventure, like an adventure. We're going for fun.
I'm not a working girl, sorry.
Oh.
I'm a paranormal investigator trying to get you to communicate with me, that's all I am. He's still working, look at this dude. He's still working.
It's exhausting. Working all the time.
Right? Now
Even
he's
in
doing
the-
okay.
Even in the afterlife, you're stuck working.
Why do you feel like you have to continue to work? He's over here. Nothing over here.
What are you making? So where is he? Is it
Right here. Either on that one?
So this is where the original
Yes.
blacksmith thing was?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where he's at. Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, look, he looks so drained.
You can rest.
Bro, you can't take a break, man. He's like, no, I can't. Look, he just wiped his head.
Oh, he sure did. Because it's so hot. Is it summer?
Is it still summer in your time?
Oh, are the fires burning? I won't lie to you. Well, what do you want to tell us?
It's not, there's no fire anymore, man.
Susan. None of us are Susan, unfortunately. We have Lisa, Carmen, and Elizabeth. Are you looking for Susan?
Is Susan your wife? Is she your girlfriend or is she your call girl? Yeah, I remember back in that time.
They
Brothel, they had a lot of brothels and they had a lot of call girls and
That's what they were working
and then if they
Drinking
came to their
and-
wife, they would go and cheat on, you know, or the single ones would basically, go to brothels and
I think it's what's still making me.
he's over here now, he's over there. What, did we bore everyone?
Yeah, where did they go?
They went on the other side, they wanna see mine.
Oh, I like this. Agreed. Oh,
He agreed with me, holy shit.
yeah, this is better. We agree. We know you.
So like, basically, are you confirming, you're saying, what?
We know you.
Okay, so you know me, so I know what that means. It's, they're communicating with me in their own way.
Okay.
I know what that means.
Okay.
Basically, in the spirit world, they know who I am.
I'll believe you.
Thank you, I appreciate that, just don't hurt me.
Oh, he's not. I'm not aggressive. Really,
Wow.
he's early on, fresh. Oh, yeah, we're fresh. We are. We've never been on an investigation before. You were correct.
Yeah.
You got fresh meat here.
Yeah. Don't bite anybody,
Please.
don't attack nobody.
Please.
Respect us as we respect you, and to a degree. We expect the fact that you're existent, and we also are going to respect the fact that you were a human being at one point. Never ever feel scared, respect them. You don't like much talking over demon or something. That means that they have power.
Gotcha.
So never, you just say you respect them, you respect the fact
Good ones, baby.
they were once a human being. You always gotta watch what you say, especially when you're talking to the prayer woman. What the hell was that?
It couldn't have been that.
No, that was in here. That was in here.
Did you knock something over? Is that you? What is your name?
Yeah, can we get a name for you, please? Girl. Spirits are no girl. There you go. Oh,
Is he back?
he was back in taller. He's following you.
Me?
Oh, never mind, that's you.
He's following Liz again?
No, the thingy on here too.
There's a lot of stuff over here. Angel hierarchy. What is that?
What did it say?
Angel hierarchy.
Means that probably we're being protected.
Well, thank you. Thank you, angels, for protecting us. Can you tell us your name?
He's
I
back.
don't know who you are.
There's two.
Either one of you.
Now there's two working.
Oh my God. I was religious.
There you go. Oh.
Liz is religious. Liz is Catholic. Were you Catholic? Yeah. Liz is Catholic. So she'll know what you're saying. You want to say a prayer?
Are you working on the
Follow us left.
They're on my left.
So should I walk?
So we're gonna walk over here? What do you want us to do, sir?
I know, what would you like us to see? We're over here?
Are you gonna show us something? Are you gonna make one of the chains move? The chain moving. I forgot where you're at. Okay, so we're here. Are you dancing? Oh, he's dancing. Oh, you are gonna take your break. Okay, so this is what you did when you took your break. You went to dance. What kind of music are you listening to? Are you listening to big band music? Polka? Polka?
Oh, are you doing a polka for us?
Not anymore.
Dance more for us.
Oh, that's not with my back correct.
Past.
What pass? Somebody on that wall is moving on that wall. What is going on? Can you hear that, or is it just me? Sounds like something scratching over there. Yeah, there's something scratching over there.
Could be. He did say this much. Is that you? Please be careful here.
I'm telling you, man. Spirits now.
Is it an evil spirit or is it like a rat? Or am I gonna bring my ankle?
Oh, there's two. Holy shit, there's two. That's why they're surrounding us. There was two. Alright, well, we're gonna throw ours out there and see what's going on. Okay, bye-bye.
No, thank you for
Thank
talking
you
to
for
me.
talking
I
to me.
really appreciate it.
Thank you for, You don't want us to leave.
Well, are they following energy?
No.
Do you like our energy in here?
I'm telling you, there's something over there.
It is. There's 100% something right here. It really could be a mouse. Because it's still there, whatever it is.
Is that a mouse or is it?
Or you're answering my question, you're telling me it's energy. I think it's,
You sure it's not a mouse?
yeah, there's something. Okay.
It's a broken or something.
It's gotta be. Oh, I don't even know how to see everything right. Angel. That's not an angel. But thank you. It's telling me it's an angel back there.
Yeah. You are an angel.
Freeze.
Yeah, he probably froze to death. You gotta remember, when you dropped in the mine, nobody knew, probably froze to death.
Did you freeze to death? And now you're an angel here?
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Bye. Thank you for talking to us. Thank you again. Oh my gosh, it told me I'm happy for you to stay. I said, thank you for talking to us. I really appreciated spending time with you. And he said, I'm happy for you to stay. No, oh no. Thank you. We have to go see the other side. I like the woods. I like the woods too.
Aw,
I love going to the woods.
you're just the sweetest.
You remind me of someone. Who do I remind you of? Oh, it's okay.
You're okay, Lisa.
Can you tell me who I remind you of? I would love to know. It's someone, who does Liz remind you of? Okay. Is Liz the one?
We got some donkeys talking to us.
Do the donkeys annoy you?
Yeah, I know, right? Or is that a normal thing for you to hear the donkeys go off? Oh, shit.
Is it Liz? Are you happy Liz has come back? You're worried? What are you worried about?
Are you worried about money? That you're not making enough? That you're not paying in enough gold and fast enough? He's still working, man.
Yeah, it looks like he's hammering.
Yeah, he looks like he's hammering.
Did you see it? With that hand. He's holding
he's-
something down.
He's right here.
And hammering.
Oh, what is that? Oh, okay, that's a
Well, there's the anvil right there. Would he be hammering on the anvil?
Yeah.
Struggling. Is it
Financial struggle or work struggle?
too cold or too hot?
Can you make some of the equipment go off? Like the cat ball? I never showed them how to do this. Cause I think this is the first time. Alright, so I have a cat ball right here. I have a cat ball right here. I have a ghost meter right here. What you do is you stand in front of them and they'll go off. Can you do that for me? Please? Please? And then this green light right here, what you do is you walk in front of it and it'll show us your figure.
Eric. Is your name Eric?
We finally got a name.
Eric, it is so nice to have your name.
It is so nice to meet you, Eric. Thank you. Are you my security guard?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like
Oh.
keeping a line on it just so it stops coming.
Oh, shit.
Anything.
What was that noise?
We don't know. We've been hearing it since.
It's like a mouse or
Yeah,
a.
he's definitely hammering something.
Dude, I feel so sorry for you that you have to continuously work. Even in the afterlife, that you feel that you have to continue to work. I am so sorry. That's sad. That really is sad.
Eric, where are you? What country are you from? Where's your home? Sarah's best.
Are you a slave? Eric, can you wave to me, sir? Can Can you put the tools down and wave to me, please? At least so you acknowledge me.
Eric, you like talking to us. Show us that you're there. Oh my gosh, look at it working. That's insane.
He's hammering away.
I guess you have questions.
Is that what you just said?
We've been asking.
I've been asking you questions, sir. Maybe I have to reword them.
What are you making?
Good question. What are you working on? When is your shift over? When did you start?
What country are you from? Eric with a K? I wonder
Oh, there's another one.
where do
Jesus.
people come from that works here? I'm trying to think, it was Ireland, so Irish. Austria, yeah, Julian. Oh, that's the other guy, Julian. Hey, Julian.
Can you wave to me? Oh, he waved!
Thank you, Julian.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're very tall, Julian.
Brady, you are very tall, sir. Thank you for waving.
Sorry.
You good?
Yeah, we're good.
You wanna switch to Blacksmith? You guys good? You good?
Yeah,
You guys good?
yeah, we're having fun.
Okay,
Yeah.
you guys, yeah, these guys are coming back.
I am happy now.
Oh my God, it says I am happy now.
I am happy now.
Oh, more people.
Okay.
You like more people.
He likes
Wow,
He's got
okay.
people here.
Yeah.
He didn't want us to go.
Yeah, okay, you guys are good, I recorded.
Oh, wow, look
Recorded?
at that.
Yeah, I have my phone on.
No, them.
Oh, I did. Oh, I have.
We got one in the minor coming up.
He's now he's break dancing.
Coming up out of the shaft, curled up out.
That's a good one. Good job, guys. Okay, if you need to come to the other one, let us know.
Alright, bet. We're having fun over here.
They got
We're getting responses, we're getting all crazy.
Is that live?
You're making a mistake.
What, my phone? No,
How are we making a mistake?
this is happening right now? Yes.
Is that live?
It's not live though, but this is what's going on right
No, no,
now.
that's what I mean, keep down the recording.
No, this is going on right now. I have a spirit in front of me, he's showing off and he's having a good time. Thank you for waving, I do appreciate that. You have gained so much trust for me, sir. Thank you. Oh, you gonna break dance some more? You gonna break dance some more? See, look, I'm turning it and he's not moving or anything. He's trying to go with it because he likes the attention.
No.
What is it?
4. Are there 4 of you? Yeah, that's, I know, I started.
I know, right? It's the first thing I did too. How many are in here?
Wait, what, nasty. What's nasty? What do you think is nasty?
What's nasty? That's a weird thing to say.
It's imposter.
Is your boss nasty? Is your boss mean? Did he underpay you?
Is living in Goldfield nasty compared to where you're from?
Oh, it just disappeared.
You didn't like that one.
He did not like that question at all.
Sorry. So sorry.
Oh, he came back.
Sorry.
I don't even know, like, there might be something triggering this to think. Or there's someone stuck in this, cause it keeps hanging on this, see? So I don't know if this is mapping out that this could be something,
Oh,
because it's a barrel looking thing.
Great. And it's all iron. So Is
Yeah, see, it keeps coming back,
Is
so,
Goldfield nasty?
no, it isn't, no, because now it's gone. Huh,
Watch the brain.
okay, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, so it's mapping that thing, cause see how it looks like a person right here, how it looks like a body and shit?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's debunked. But you never know, another one could appear.
Hung.
You were hung?
Because remember he was arrested. And so impressive.
Yeah, I'm gonna move over here so we can get out of the, get that out of my view so I can,
Were you hung for something you didn't do?
yeah, see if I have it over there, it does the same thing. Alright.
Yeah. That was a good catch.
Yeah.
Well, you always gotta debunk your stuff too.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Always, not everything, I always tell people not everything is paranormal, you always gotta debunk it. And I noticed that when I had it on that one spot, that's when it would come back, but when I had it on other spots, it was different. Like, we did get someone, because we did get a wave, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
absolutely.
So we did get a wave, but at the same time, it just kept going to that, and I'm like,
Senses.
are you confirming what I'm saying? It got cold in here. It literally just got cold in here. Cause I was burning up a minute ago. Oh! There's one over there. Why are you playing cat and mouse, sir? Why are you playing hide and seek? Those doggies are hilarious. Oh shit, we got one!
Oh, yeah.
No, for the thing, no?
One. There's just one left right now? Is it Eric?
Or Julian.
Who's with us?
I got one.
She found you.
I found you. Oh,
I knew that. You were hiding, weren't you?
yeah, he's playing cat and mouse. He's playing hide and seek, he's playing cat and mouse.
I don't know if this app works that I have, but it says Vivian.
Interesting. Who's Vivian? Ask who Vivian is.
Who's Vivian? Is that what your name is?
Was that your wife? Or was that your girlfriend?
Chase. Oh, Chase. I want you to chase.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
It's so funny how these
Baby
confirming everything I'm doing. It's so
Yes.
crazy.
She enjoys chasing you, so.
Yes, I do, baby. Hey. Just sorry, but we can't have a relationship because I'm already married. Sorry. Didn't like that response. Didn't mean to break your heart, but you know, I'm already married, sir.
Are you married? What was that name, remember?
What was the name of it?
Sylvia? Is that it?
Because these two towns have connections.
The land.
Yeah, I think it was.
Can someone look it up? My phone is
Okay, Verizon too. Verizon.
it's spotty. My phone's been really spotty.
She's got AT&T, she's got good service.
Who was the lady in red in the mess hall on the 5th floor?
Do you like Brookfield? You like all the land over here? It's beautiful.
It is beautiful out here. I love it. I think it was like Ruby.
We would have read about this.
Because if we can get her name, we can her name, and they might know who she is, and we enjoy the company. That is awesome.
See my shadow. Where is your shadow? Which
Yeah,
way do
where
I
are
need to
you?
look? We want to see you. We want to see your shadow. Wait.
There's nobody over there,
Wait, she.
but it's on
The twinkly.
that side.
Did you see the twinkly? Are you
Yeah.
making the twinkly?
He's making the Twinklies over there move, because she's over there.
That was me.
Oh no, but over here it's twinkling.
It's twinkling over here. If it was you, it would be on that side. We've got twinkles over here.
Is that you? Was that your shadow?
Is that your shadow? Are you, why don't you move the chains for us?
Rose.
Rose? Okay, so did you have relations with Rose, the lady in
Her
red?
real name was Evelyn.
Evelyn?
You said Evelyn.
No,
Yeah.
Vivian.
Her call
Vivian.
name,
No, I had Evelyn.
yeah.
Evelyn was earlier. I took a screenshot of it. He literally said Evelyn.
So do you know Evelyn from the Mess Pop?
That's wrong.
But her call name was Rose.
Rose?
But her real name was Evelyn.
Did you know her as Evelyn?
Or did you know her as Rose? Did you have a crush on her? Did you hear that?
I heard a donkey.
No. I got an actual EVP in my ear.
Wait, what did you hear?
I don't know, but it was a male's voice.
Really?
I'm deaf. I'm deaf, so you can't talk to me. I'm sorry.
Huh? Oh. What'd they say? What'd you hear, Lisa?
I just heard something.
Oh, okay.
That's why I asked if anybody heard it.
Oh, no.
Hopefully I got it on my phone.
Can you correct us? What is the right information?
Got it right. Mine's already dead here, man. Oh well.
That's all.
Oh well. 'Cause we're gonna be up here for. Yeah, you keep walking in the lights, man.
Gosh.
I won't forget.
Are you near us?
Yeah,
Because it got really heavy.
it got really cold.
Yeah. Do you feel it? Like all of a sudden it was like, I felt like a tingle and then it got, yeah. I still visit my family. That is wonderful. I know your family absolutely loves that. On behalf of all family members, that is wonderful. Thank you for visiting them. Do they live in Goldfield?
Do they live in Tonopah? Or do they live in Bede? So a lot of these people would go to Bede. The one that owned the Elk Lodge, he started in Goldfield and then he lived out the rest of his life in Bede. Am I correct? I am, but I want to know if the ghost, knows what's going on.
I'm like, so uninterested in things like that.
I am, everyone's in love. I don't like black people. Right?
Same.
What are those antisocial paranormal fears I have met? Dude,
I feel like this keeps happening us. We keep ending up with like one person and the two of us.
Yeah, I'm free.
And it's very like, it's always very sedate and chill.
We're discussing Trisha.
I know, we just talk. We just want to talk to you. We just want to talk to you.
we just want to talk to the dead. Hopefully it talks back.
That's it.
I love talking to Eric because Eric responds to me.
Billy. Who's Bill? Is Billy your family member? Jim or James or Jim?
Billy is the guy that saved all the people in Louisville.
You're gonna stress us.
As I'm saying that, Billy is the guy, when we went by Big Bill, he saved all in the Belmont fire in the mine.
Oh.
Because you gotta remember, the spirits, they move from town to town. And Goldfield heard about that. And they also did their own little thing. Back in the day, this town was a poppin' town.
Oh, yeah.
We had 20,000 people living here.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's down like what, 8, remember? 8?
Yeah.
I know, so it's scary here. Is it scary here in the mine?
Is it scary in the mine or is it scary in the town?
I bet it was scary.
Can you make those chains move us for us, please? Like, oh, there's something. Yeah, there's something back over here. Okay.
What about the little balls on
Yeah, can you turn those on?
can you touch them?
Or can I'm gonna put the pick up there. I got I got a mining pick. Look at this, guys. This is cool as shit, ain't it? So I have a mining pick that I'm gonna put up here, okay? So this way, should be a trigger object, so you guys know that.
Oh, no, I was saying.
So now that I put the pick up there, can you turn on the cap off for me? I'm gonna ask you to bang on something on the wall, come on now.
You just bang on the table and it will make it go off.
Do I have a bug?
I think I've had a bugger over here.
Well, it looked like something was flying out on the wall, but I just wanna make sure, I wanna debunk that right now because I didn't catch it when we were at the chapel in West Virginia, and it literally looked like a.
Are you,
Dude!
wait, what's the name? No, Martin. Are you related to the Duffy family?
Belle Duffy, Agnes? Is Agnes your mom? Is that, or is she your aunt?
Years, what's 50 years ago? Was it the 70s? Doesn't make sense.
It'd be in the 60s. 70s, yeah. Well, maybe we're talking to a miner that died in the mine. Well, you never know.
That's true. Were you a miner?
Oh shit, I got 2 spirits up here. Holy crap.
Or they have, can you turn, can you
They're
please
at the
table? Can you please hit the table?
They're at the table. They're on the table. Now there's like, oh my god, they're jumping all over the place.
Trying.
Is that what it said?
No, I'm just saying, they must be trying. It's on top of the table.
Yeah, get your pick on the table.
Be careful.
Don't drop, I mean, if you want to drop it, that'd be great. We won't get mad if you drop your pick. Because I put it up there so you could get it. Yeah, he's trying to grab it. Oh my god, look at this, he's trying to grab it.
I was poor.
Is that why you're working so hard? He is trying to grab that pick. I even told Marie, I said, this is gonna be a trigger object. This is what they're gonna go after. They were miners.
Right.
Yeah, they're trying to grab it. Awesome. Now, as you're putting all your energy and grabbing that pick, can you make the cat ball go off, please? You just gotta touch it. It goes off. Oh, it just dropped.
Wait, not the picker.
Yeah, really.
But don't break it.
Yeah, I know, right? Can you do that for me? Or can you finish this? Hold on.
Oh, okay. I feel lost. Why do you feel lost? Because you're stuck here? Working?
What does it feel like to be stuck in a place that you don't know you're stuck? What is that? Is that hell?
I can imagine. Purgatory, at the very least.
What did you do to get yourself stuck here?
I was arrested.
But once you die though, your body is free. And your soul should be free. Oh my god, look at this, look at that.
how it is.
I know.
Yeah, so.
Oh, back, oh, but there's two. There's two of them. Why are you standing?
We're really, we know you're here. We know that you're really here.
There's one on top of it.
That's why, because before you said it wasn't them, but they're saying they're really here. It's really them, it's not.
No, it comes over there. But there's two. Yeah, there's one on the wall too. I don't know. That's great. That's the part of that right there.
Okay, we're gonna go outside,
Yeah, so you can knock over anything while we're outside.
touch one of those cat balls.
I did not believe in this.
I wanna go see what she, let's go over there, let's go over there.
Okay, we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Thank you again for talking to us. I appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
On debunking the green light, it's us walking through it, anytime that it's been us walking through it.
So what place is this?
This is the
Blacksmith?
Blacksmith,
On the altar is,
barn at the,
can you
Florence line.
hit the cat ball on the altar?
I don't know,
think that's the altar.
I don't know.
Can you hit the cat balls that are on the altar?
We're gonna try this again.
I know, okay, we're leaving for those.
Yeah, we're gonna, you do you have fun, and I'm
Hit the
gonna.
cat balls.
Yeah, hit the cat balls. Knock shit off the walls. I wanna go and play in here. Yeah. I wanna go play with you and your team.
Chrissy?
Yeah, this is the one that said they were having the blacksmith shop. You know,
What she looked like. You want to try to share with someone in here? I'd love to catch you on this device. I saw you in here earlier working. Banging with your hammer and bending steel. It's a busy place, an important place. Take care of everybody. Take care of the machinery so everybody's safe. Somebody's coming in the background. Literally walking.
Hey, Eric, Julian, we're leaving. We just wanted to say goodbye. Thank you again for talking to us. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Are we done with the blacksmith shop too?